LK Lifestyle Videos presents Buttery Burgundy Mushrooms. This paleo and keto side dish is easy to make, and of course it's grain-free. These mushrooms are a great side dish if you are on a budget, and they take less than 10 minutes to make. Here are the ingredients. 1 pound baby portobello mushrooms, 4 tablespoons ghee, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 2 teaspoons salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of dry red wine. Here's how you put it all together. In a 2 or 3 quart saucepan, melt the ghee. Add in garlic and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Add mushrooms and remaining seasonings except for the wine to the saucepan and toss well. Continue to cook mushrooms over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. When mushrooms are mostly cooked, add the red wine and stir to combine. Place lid on your saucepan and reduce heat to medium-low. Simmer for 5 minutes and remove from the heat. Serve your delicious mushrooms over a grilled steak or as a side dish. Feel confident that this dish is paleo and keto friendly. More grain and gluten-free recipes are on the way. Please subscribe to LK Lifestyles for many more keto and paleo friendly dishes.